What is up, guys? Bass Presidente here. It is absolutely gorgeous here on the lake. Right now we're heading over to the deep part of the lake. We're gonna catch whatever bites. As you see, the view out the front's a little different. Got myself a Garmin here. Right now we're in 9 feet of water. It's supposed to get deeper as we go down there more. And then I added another rod holder right here, which that's holding my ultralight for now. Oh, I marked something right here. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna go down there and we're gonna work our way back. See you guys over there. Yeah, we're gonna head down there in a second, but as I was kayaking, I was getting marks all along here. Oh, I'm marking good right now, so gotta throw my ultralight out there. We'll see what happens. I was getting good marks though. Oh yeah, we're marking. Oh, we're marking good. Oh yeah, we're marking. All right, we're marking too at. Oh, I thought I felt something there. Oh, that's what that was. It was weeds. All right, it's gone. All right, guys, I think we're gonna troll them with the crankbait. I'm casting, they're not really taking, so. Oh, we're marking good. I gotta get my line out there. The screen's lighting up good. Gotta get the line out. Like here. Like that. Put that in here. All right, we're good. Now we're gonna troll them. We're gonna troll this crankbait. You see, with this new setup, I could just put my rod here and just watch the tip while I'm kayaking. I don't have to keep looking over my shoulder. All right, no, we're not marking anything just yet. I think we missed it. I think it was just over here. But we're gonna troll around and see what's. Oh, we're marking one right here at almost 4 feet. I mean, the water's still cold. It's like 47 degrees, almost 48 degrees. Yeah, it's cold. I put my hand in it. I mean, I was marking all that fish. I'm surprised we didn't hook up yet. Well, I know with this temperature, the fish are down deep, and over there, just ahead right there is where the deeper water is. So I think that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna troll out that way and see what's going on. I mean, I'm telling you though, it's absolutely beautiful out here. Flat, calm. The gust's only to 10 miles an hour. It is awesome. I don't have to fight the wind too much. Got 10 feet. Maybe I should let out a little bit more. All right, that's good. All right, it's getting deeper. Let this out a little deeper. We're over in the deep water now, so kind of gotta let it out a little bit. Let's that back. Watching the tip too and make sure it's doing that. If it's shaking like that, that means your lure is working fine. But if you're moving and it's not shaking like that, that means you either got grass or some other crap at the end of the line. It's interesting, we have not hooked up yet. There's a mark at almost 6 feet. Two marks, one at 4 feet, one at 6 feet. See what happens. Oh, there's one. Fish on. That took a minute, and my rod stuck. Oh. Finally. Finally. That took a minute. That took a minute. All right. Oh, we got a pick. Woohoo! We got a runner. Oh, and he came off. He came off, but it's all right. Plenty of more to catch. Alright. That was disappointing, but it's alright. There's plenty of more fish. I mean, it had a good size to him. Now he had another mark at 4 feet about a second ago. Interesting. All right, we're marking a couple there. Oh, there we go. We're marking several. Come on, let's hook up. I think we're gonna do one more pass and we're gonna call it. Alright, another mark at 3.5. Right here is maybe if we get a bass, that'll be nice. Because let me tell you something, those treble hooks with those pickerel, oh, absolute nightmare. We're gonna start our turn. All right. there's a mark. 2.5, 3 feet. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a couple of passes, because I know that the trolling's working. I'm gonna head over down by those houses and work the way back. Oh, and there's one. Oh, there we go. There's a fish. And it's a pick. Smaller. Oh, we got a jumper. Oh, no. Woo. Easy, buddy. Oh. I think. Let's see things. We gotta get the pliers ready. All right. It's something. Now we gotta get him. All right. Got us a pickerel. Smaller than the one we unfortunately lost, but now we know that they're catching them. All right, let's see. Where the hell did you put the hook? Almost. All right. That took a minute, but there we have it. And he's gone. I'm gonna call it a wrap, and we're gonna head home, and we're gonna get some trout stuff ready for later. So, all right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.